In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Edge Secure Network in Microsoft Edge. If you want a little extra privacy and protection while browsing, Microsoft Edge Secure Network is a useful feature to know about. It can help secure your connection, especially when you're using public or less trusted networks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how to turn it on, and how to choose the mode that works best for you. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the menu and settings without interruption. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main browser menu, where you'll find a range of options for managing Edge. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for the browser, where Microsoft Edge groups features by category, so they're easier to find. On the left side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains many of the privacy and security controls for your browsing experience, so it's the right place to configure Secure Network. Now scroll down until you find the Security section. Depending on your screen size or browser version, you may need to scroll a bit to reach it. Take your time and look carefully, because the Secure Network option is located there along with other safety-related settings. When you see Microsoft Edge Secure Network, turn it on. In some cases, Microsoft Edge may ask you to sign in before you can use the feature. If that happens, just complete the sign-in process to continue. Signing in allows Edge to apply the feature properly and manage access as needed. After that, choose your preferred mode to finish the setup. You'll typically see options like Basic or Optimized. Basic mode may give you a more consistent secure connection, while Optimized mode is designed to automatically decide when extra protection is needed based on what you're doing online. If you want Edge to handle that decision for you, Optimized can be a convenient choice. If you prefer a more straightforward setup, Basic may be the better fit. Once you've selected your mode, the setup is complete. Your Microsoft Edge Secure Network feature should now be enabled and ready to use. If you ever want to change the mode later, you can return to the same settings page and adjust it at any time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Microsoft Edge Secure Network in Microsoft Edge.